Hey guys, so today here we've got the new Audi RS6 Avant by Mini GT, and this is the silver digital camouflage with the roof box. By now Mini GT has made a lot of models of the RS6, but this is something unique. It has got a great color combination, it has got a roof box. So yes, I was a little eager to get my hands on this. Unfortunately, this is exclusive. This is, I think, CLDC exclusive. So it was difficult to get one. Somehow, finally, I've managed. So talking about the box, it's pretty normal. See, as you can see here, it's written that it is China exclusive, right? China exclusive. And now we come on to the box is normal, nice. We've got the TSM hologram and everything. Then over here we've got the RS6 branding. Unfortunately, they had to stick the batch number and all, so it is not very clearly visible. The box is theme, the box colors theme is similar to the one of the car, so it is a gray box. It has got the camo thing going on, gray and black. So finally, let's just unbox this. And wow, I mean, the moment you unbox it, the silver has a great finish. As you can see, it is very matte, so it looks great, and the blister is very nice. It's got an elevated blister to protect the roof box. Great to see that it made it in one piece. Now when we take it out, right, so first of all we start off with the front. And when they launched the red one, problem was that the front badging of Audi, it was not at all visible because they had put black rings on a black grille. They have made that right in this one, and this one has got great silver finish, and you can actually even see the RS6 branding. Now trust me, I've got a lot of 64 scale cars, and in this scale that kind of detailing is almost impossible. So hats off to Mini GT that they have managed to do that. Then we come on to the front. Overall, the front looks great. You see the finish and everything, it's amazing. The color scheme looks great. It has even got the slight red accents. Talking about the side profile is amazing because obviously it's got the wheels. It's got amazing wheels, and the wheels roll very freely. As we can see right here, both the wheels, they roll very freely. And the roof box, it adds a very nice unique touch to the car, because at the end of the day this is a shooting brake, so it really helps it get that sleek aerodynamic shape, and that also still something that you can do road trips in. So overall it's a neat touch. And then again, the wheels, they are very well done, and it has even got the Audi branding on the wheels itself. So again, all these small details, they really add up to make the car great looking. Color scheme is absolutely perfect. The more you look at it, the more you fall in love. Headlamp detailing, this is not the first time you're seeing a Mini GT RS6. The headlamps are great, they look amazing. Coming on to the rear is amazing. I mean, just look at that, the way that roof box looks, and the color scheme, and the exhausts, and the tail lamps, and the badging, and the number plate that says RS6. It's even got that wiper at the back. So I mean, they have done an excellent job. Nothing to complain about, really. Not a single thing that I can pinpoint and say that I wish this was better. It's perfect. Side mirrors, once again, very well done, same color as the car. Talking about the base now, as we can see, this one, it has got a lot of detailing on the base. Car name is written up there at the top, RS6 Avant. And then we have got Mini GT, made in China, all of that, but a lot of detailings and everything. And then this part is really neat, where this joins to the exhaust, and the exhaust is so good looking. So overall, I mean, I know this was a very anticipated car in my collection, and since it was a China exclusive, it was very difficult to lay my hands on one. But now that it has finally come, I think it has been worth the wait, because This is one of the best looking mini GTs out there, one of the best looking RS6 ever by Hot Wheels, by even Stance Hunters. It's a very expensive brand, but you know, the amount of details mini GT's packaging for this kind of pricing is what really makes it stand out. See, I mean, Stance Hunter, sure, it's a great brand, it is giving some great detailing, but what is the pricing of that? It's insane. So compared to everything, I mean, I'm really happy with the job Mini GT has done here. Let me know what you guys think. The detailing all around, it's great. The color scheme is great. The roof box is a nice touch. And also, I mean, I haven't tried yet, but I think it is not removable. So please do not try to remove it. You might end up breaking it. So yeah, that's just a word of caution. And if you're considering to get one, highly recommended. I just hope you are able to lay your hands on one, because as I said earlier, very difficult to find because of it being a China exclusive. Hope you guys like it, and let me know what you think about this new RS6 silver digital camouflage with the roof box. Thank you for watching.